Enfalux Carpentry Art. Seat frames. We start the design process in the technological environment by expanding our boundaries with our imagination. In the modern world, at least, it is necessary to run forward in order to stay in place. Make your seats better quality, faster, and more economical. Starting with our seat frames design with CNC cutting machines. Technology tested in production with excellent results. The quality and beauty of the seat frames, which come with a quality elastic glue or lacquer-coated zigzag springs, and the preliminary preparation stages greatly facilitate the further work of the upholsterer. Supported and strengthened production with metal profiles will save time and effort for your craftsmen. This technology, which will enter your production with metal or wooden feet designed according to your wishes, will take your production to a new level with its high quality, competitive power, diversity, and design uniqueness. Enfalux Carpentry